My name is Nicholas Bosco. I am a professor of business and accounting for the State University of New York with Suffolk County Community College.
I'm Kristen Conway, and I've been teaching at Suffolk County Community College for the past 10 years.
I've been teaching in higher education for about 20 years. So what AIM does is this book is a more simplified approach to accounting. The way I like to look at it is that this is how I would teach accounting in the classroom.
The AIM approach is much different than other accounting books in regards to how thorough the textbook is.
These concepts are very foreign to these students.
What I see is that students really struggle with accounting, and the first day especially, they come in, a lot of them, with the attitude that they're not going to be able to do it or they're going to fail. The visual aspects, that's really what I find that students really need help with.
Accounting is our #1 drop class in my college.
Students that really struggle tend to give up in the beginning of the class.
I know how crucial the first couple of chapters are for the buy-in for the students.
The beginning chapters will give them an understanding about how much the text is really broken down for students to really understand the concepts.
It's a daunting task as an educator to try to get a student to fully understand concepts in certain subjects. The first couple of chapters of this book could really sell to the students that it's an easier approach, it's an easier way to understand, that the concepts are relatable. And that is the biggest key, is that buy-in.
This textbook will make it easier for them.
1000%. The best part of what I've seen in this book that I've never seen before was the color coordinating.
It's all color coded for students to be able to recognize different account types.
Color coding of assets, liabilities, revenues, expenses. Just grouping and breaking down these categories so the students can better interpret them, understand where they go.
I did like that. That was something that was innovative, and I've never seen that before, which would allow students to really remember the concepts.
And that's what's kind of unique with this textbook as opposed to the other textbooks out there. If I was to use one key word, it would be differentiation. It's got a completely different approach. It's going to bridge the gap between reading and learning.
The online material is what really reinforces it for them, and the interaction gives them that second layer of learning.
It's going to allow the students to basically pick up on the material much faster than the other books do.
I think the visual concepts are really going to make a difference for the students.
That is the reason why I like this approach, and I feel like this approach could dominate in the industry.